When it comes to typing, mechanical keyboard is the king. And with different type of switches to choose from, the possibility is endless. From linear to this clicky switch, you will surely be able to find a mechanical keyboard that suits your taste. And not everyone likes the feel of a mechanical keyboard and would like a lower profile, and that's where low profile keyboard and a checker style keyboard comes in. But why not go one step further? How about on-screen keyboard? Let us compare the extreme: on-screen keyboard versus physical mechanical keyboard. As a disclosure, my desktop keyboard is an Apple full-size checker style keyboard, and same goes for my work laptop. But I won't be biased towards my daily keyboard, as I do enjoy typing on mechanical keyboard too. And with that out of the way, let's dive into our comparison. To compare between on-screen keyboard and mechanical keyboard, we will be using this 11-inch iPad Pro and a Razer Black Widow. Let's start off with the outlook of both keyboards before diving into a typing test. As the name suggests, the on-screen keyboard is totally flat to the surface and does not have any actuation point whatsoever. The feedback you get from typing on this on-screen keyboard is from the vibration of the device itself. Like it or not, this is the best any on-screen keyboard can provide. But with any on-screen keyboard, the key is customizable, and depending on what type of keyboard you install into your device, the possibility is endless. From emoji keyboard to writing keyboard, you name it, Google will definitely provide. Let's switch our focus to Razer Black Widow. This Razer Black Widow is a 10 keyless keyboard, and this is quite an old model. But it should not affect our typing experience, as I don't think mechanical keyboard involved a lot from the time I purchased this keyboard. This keyboard is using Razer own green switches, but even though this is not a Cherry MX switch, the feeling is pretty close to a Cherry MX Blue. From the physical look, it is much higher than our on-screen keyboard, and I mean much higher. This may or may not strain your wrist if you plan to type on this keyboard for some time. And when I use this keyboard for a prolonged time, the back of my hand feels strained, and I have to take a small break in between. It varies to different person, so do try out yourself. With both contestants introduced, let us start our typing test. Before we start the test, I would like to let you all know that I'm not an amazing typist, so bear with my typing speed. Roll the clip. As you can see in both testing, I would say my accuracy is much better in the physical keyboard, and this is to be expected. But typing on the iPad is not bad either. The screen is large enough that the keyboard is almost full size. Almost. And I would suspect my typing will get gradually better if I put some time to get used to the on-screen keyboard. I am also surprised that typing on the iPad is not as bad as I imagined. I would think that it would have a lot of mistyping and accidental touches. But nope. So, if you need to type something fast, the on-screen keyboard is a good choice. When I was planning this comparison, I thought the mechanical keyboard would be the clear winner. But nope, I'm just joking. I will choose a physical keyboard over on-screen keyboard every day for my daily typing. But with this keyboard specifically, it is too high for my comfort. So, a low profile mechanical keyboard will be best suited for me. I'm eyeing on the Logitech G115, but that's way out of my budget. But hopefully I will have some spare cash in the future to get this. And that's it. Like and subscribe if you find my content helpful. And thanks for watching. Ciao!